Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make all notes available at offline on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the third option, the settings. And here you can find the offline option under the task button. Click that and you can find the first option, the make all available offline. This will download all your notes and notebooks to your device. And if you want to enable, just click to the next gray circle, and if it will be turned green, this function will be enabled, so you can download and you can write as the offline mode. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.